Maximize Beanstalk Event with the blueberry and coconut method. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to your garden and grow a garden. In there, simply seed blueberry and coconut as shown on the screen. I am simply seeding carrot because blueberry and coconut is not available in my account. And blueberry gives you quick, consistent harvest, while coconuts drop the massive payouts that stack fast. When you combine them, you will climb the beanstalk faster, rack up more currency, and unlock the exclusive shop rewards before the event ends. And this is how to maximize Beanstalk Event with the blueberry and coconut method. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.